Hi Mountaineers, this is Mrs. Romine. This is Nature Walk number 2 in my backyard. You can see a redbud there. It's in full bloom. I'll swing around down to the side yard where I showed you the trees I can see out of my kitchen window. And this redbud is also in full bloom. How beautiful that is. And the bees are loving it too. I don't know if we can zoom in on a bee, but they are everywhere. Let's see if we can find a bee. There's one hovering really close. I don't know if you saw him or not. That's the neat thing about being out in nature is you can just go out and stand still for just a second or look out your window for just a second and you can see all kinds of cool things. So this is my redbud, and earlier in the week when I did my creatures outside my window, it was blooming at the bottom fully, but up at the top we still have buds. But now all the way up to the top it is fully in bloom. It's beautiful. Just love this color with all of the spring green leaves out in the woods. You can see where the trees in the background are starting to put out their little spring green leaves. Now this tree was the one that I asked you to try to figure out what it is. It's the state flower of our state, which is North Carolina. And this tree is just starting to open up its flowers. Aren't they pretty? This is a pink dogwood. Looks kind of reddish when they first open up. When they fully open up, it'll look more pale, a lighter pink. This is a pink dogwood. Here's one. There we go. See how beautiful that is? It's got stripes and it's more pale pink when it fully opens up. Now most dogwoods are white. And I'm going to walk right over here and I have some white dogwoods. This is a dogwood tree. Isn't that pretty? Dogwood flowers have 4 petals and there's like a little dip in the end of each petal, and then in the center you have all of these seeds. They start out looking green like these, but then as they mature they'll